Hello developers, now we are going to see about developing that end-to-end food delivery application with all the services like favorites, cart, and the end-to-end entire functionality can be implemented by this tutorial. So stay tuned until we are going to do. So these are the PD pages, cart pages, and some site fragments and all is there. And with login functionality, we are going to implement. So these are all cart items. We can increase the cart, we can maintain the state, and we also do system checkout flows. And until we can place the order. Yeah, hope you are get excited. Let's dive into the tutorial. So let's start with this home page. For this, I just created some Android app with empty activity named as my food app. After syncing the project, it looked like this. I just remove the default widgets and start our home screen. So home screen, like I just use composable function home screen. Home screen contains three widgets, right? I just remove the existing thing. Home page contains top widget, bottom bar, and the middle items, content screens. So let's first we focus on the bottom bar. For the simplicity, I just import all the necessary images for now and assets. You can either use from this Figma file. I just add this in description. So let me check with this file. Preview to view the screen. Composable function bottom bar, and we can see the side by side implementation. Bottom bar contains the entire full max width and some height. So bottom bar, let's say it is a row because items are arranged in horizontally. So let's import the row with modifier of full max width and the wrap content height. We need to give the background color resource. Here I am going to use the resource file color, and like we can edit this because throughout the project we are going to use the same color. So for the simplicity's sake, I just use here. Orange base. Now we can use the orange base. With rounded corner shape of 20 dp. So it contains item. We need to import the dp density pixels. It contains 4 items, right? Let's say val icons equal to list of order drawable dot home. Let's say bottom one. I just imported like this. Bottom 2, bottom 3, bottom 4, bottom 5. We are going to use this in a row. So icons dot for each item. We are going to use a image or icon. Image is fine. Image painter resource or dot drawable dot. No need of this because we are already given this. So image, just pass the image. Content description. For the simplicity, this give null. And the size of the icon must be something like 22. As for now, I just give 25. Perfect. These are some arrangement need to be added. You need to add arrangement like it's horizontal wise. So horizontal arrangement dot space between, and we can add some padding for better view. After applying color, we need to add padding inside horizontal. No, all side of the padding we can give like 20, horizontal 30, vertical 20. Cool, right? Bottom bar is completed. We are going to use this in the home screen. App trails, what else is there? Top bar. Top bar contains search box and these icons. So let's focus on the search box. If you feel little bit faster, you can just slow down the tutorial and watch again for better view. Search box. Search box contains a row with the text and this field. Right. Row contains text field and one box of image. This is a structure. Text search and box is circle. I can just add some preview here for a better view. Painter resource all dot drawable dot filter icon. Content description is a default parameter for image. It's null. Let's say the circle be like 20 size. So the box modifier capital modifier dot size 20 dp dot clip in the sense it's just cropping circle shape, and with color resource we are going to use our color dot color dot orange base, and finally we give content alignment dot center because this icon is inside the box. Right. Cool. What else is missing? You can just add the width as 200 for the simplicity. Width of the row is 200. And give padding with starting and ending as 12. Horizontal, no, just padding. Horizontal 12. Vertical like 10 is fine. These two icons need to be center aligned. So vertical alignment dot center vertically. And finally, we're just going to move it left and right. So we can add the weight parameter to move, stretch it out with left and right. Fine. Cool, right? And this has some curve radius. So for this, we obviously know we can add clip of no need of clip, just add some background. Color as white. Just import it. Rounded corner shape. Either is fine. Within that color only we are giving the padding. Hope it works better. So let's focus on the other things. I'm going to use this in my home screen. Home screen contains few items. Bottom bar, bottom bar. Add the preview here. Remove the preview elsewhere. This is our main screen. Bottom bar, bottom bar. What else is there? Top bar contains top bar. First of all, we just implement a top bar only with search box. Hope it's better now. You can see also we can use this background color. That and all we can give afterwards. Similarly, some icon is there. Fi. So fast forward, we just implement this icon item. Preview, composable, function, icon item, top icon item. So let's say it contains this box with image, painter, order, drawable dot, cart. Content description null. Cool, right? This is 26 dp with the background color. Background color fi rounded corner shape of 12. That is fine. Now we are going to use this here. How we are going to use this in top bar. It's a row of items. Where we are going to use top icon item. In vertical alignment dot center vertically. With some padding start. And what else is there? This wrap it for here now with because there are 3 items, right? I just duplicate it with some space. modify its default parameter, horizontal arrangement dot spaced by, like, let me give 6 dp, and this and all we can move towards left, towards right. Modifier dot weight on f. Cool. And also we don't want these items, same items, so I just pass this with via icon. So val icons list of, first icon is cart, cart icon, second icon is notification, right? Notify icon, third is person. Profile icon, we're going to use icon. This is also a simplification. Pass the icon. Option enter or alt enter to add the parameter, and we are going to use this here. I. Magically it will also change this, right? This is also vertical alignment. Alignment dot center vertically. You can see here. And finally, we'll add some background color as yellow base. So let's move to this. Add some color like yellow base. Command D, and I just add as yellow base. Top bar with background color resource or dot drawable dot yellow base or dot color dot. Let me check. Cool. Why these and all not aligned center? You can check. Content alignment need to be in center. Now it's fine. We can also add some spaces bottom and top. For now I just add top la 30, bottom la 16. Top la 13, bottom la 16. And also we can have these text fields, right? Good morning, and this. Finally we are going to implement this. Yeah, few more text are in top bar, so we can just implement the two. So this is a good morning text. For now I just make it static. Once API integration we make it into dynamic. So after the search box and this row there is a text field, right? So it contains good morning text. Then with properties like font, this the font is F8, F8, F8. We can add here, and the font size is 30 with bold. Second parameter is modifier. Font size is 30. Font must be in SP. And font family, font weight, bold, and color. Color resource r.color.white. But we are going to this own color. Right, F8. Color font. So this must be in row column to make in without overlapping. Columns need to be imported. And what else is pending? You can just refresh it. Yeah, we are giving the background and all is here. This should be given with the column modifier. Let me check. Yeah, hope it's perfectly fine. Also, there is another text is, yeah, this is orange base with font size 13 medium. Just duplicate it. Like it's not copied, right? Copy, paste, 13 medium orange base. Now we are going to the main part of the screen, that is product items. It can be the item screen, right? For this we are going to focus off here. This page is little bit elaborate, so let's focus only here for this top widgets. I can just going to use column with modifier dot fill max size, padding of inner padding, because we are using scaffold, it takes the padding for top and bottommost. Color is white. What else? It's a rounded corner shape. Top start 20, top end 20. But the previous places like there is a yellow, right? Dot color dot yellow base. Hope it will be fine. After padding, I'm going to add this item. Let's name category composable function category item. It is just a yellow box, yellow circle, right? Yellow medium with height 50, width 435, 75. Let's say there is a box with modifier height 75, width 50, background. I need to use color resource. That is a good option. Yellow light.
It's 10:45.
So color resource r dot color dot yellow light, and also there is a, we can use here to see side visit view. Image painter r dot trouble dot snacks, content description null. Right, and also it's a rounder corner shape circle. Yeah, no need of both. Shape must be in circle shape. And also there is a text snacks with font color of dark font with color dark font. It can be a column because it are arranged in top bottom. No, we got confused, right? Now it's perfectly fine. With little bit regular tool size. Default size is 16, but we need to specify as 12. Content alignment center. Now we are going to use this in our main screen. So let it be like a row. There are items like, no, it's just a normal row. So I just use a for loop I in 1 to 5. For now I use like this. We can add like all the items as a list and again pass the drawables as we did previous, right? So horizontal arrangement dot spaced by, no, not even space between is fine, and we need to use start and end padding. Horizontal 16 dp. Oops, it's not fine. Huh? Let me check. Spaced by. And top also 16 dp. Hope it finds. Let me add some other cool widget like bestsellers. So let me, before going to this, let's add a bestsellers title. We can give the padding horizontal to this also. For now, this also it's better. After inner padding, after background color, padding horizontal 60. Fine. Font, second parameter is modifier. Font size, let it be 20 sp. Font color is dark, not a drawable. It's a color resource. Dark font. And let me give some font weight like semi bold. And for this, I need to create some product best sellers item, right? So it contains image with these views. I just move faster. Image box contains image, painter resource, drawable, burger, content description, null. It is little bit size of, let's say, 160 by 140. Modifier, modifier 160, height 140. Clip, let's say, rounded corner shape. 12 is fine. Why it's not here? We need to give the size of the parent. Full max size and also content scale. Content scale dot fill bounds. Let it be there. We can give here. And it has this heart and the rating icon and this widget price. So let me add this first. Box contains modifier dot some wrap content size. So I just give some color as white, some rounded corner shape. Let's say 12 dp is fine. Capital V. And let me add the text. Text is 5.0. As 4 dp is fine. Surrounding padding of the text. Top 6 dp start. Cool. Now it is a hot icon. Similarly, just duplicate, painter resource, dot drawable dot full heart, content description is null. These two boxes are to be in row, right? Some space is there. Let's see if I did. Vertical alignment, center vertical. And finally, we are going to use this in our main screen, right? So for this, I'm going to use lazy vertical grid. As we already know, lazy vertical grid, it has some two columns, right? Two columns, grid cells, fixed of 2, and the items must be in items 10. So it looks very weird, so I just add a vertical arrangement, default parameters modifier, vertical arrangement dot spaced by 16 dp, horizontal arrangement. You need to add. Looks great. And we also have the modifier with top, padding vertical 16 dp. Hope for now, for basic tutorial, this is working fine, and further tutorial we are going to add these remaining screens like this dishes and bestseller widgets, and move further with API integration for a fully functional app. That's it for today. Let's stay continued for the part 2 of this tutorial, and thank you for now.